The Raptor Tank business pitch competition is well underway, as 14 teams took the stage last Wednesday to see if their entrepreneurial dreams will carry them into the final round. The evening was a practice run for the 8 teams that will progress and for Montgomery College television crew who are covering the event.
MCTV is a big value to the Raptor Tank program. A big part of our program is students helping students and helping them build certain skills that help them in their career fields. So that plays into MCTV as well. We like to have the mentors in the MCTV program helping their students get hands-on practice in their field of choice, which is a big part of this program. It also really helps our participants from a marketing standpoint to get their ideas out there on the competition day, on social media. So we really couldn't do this without them.
Much like the student-run Raptor Tank competition, MCTV is also utilizing the power of the students to ensure the show's success. The event is a big undertaking for the crew, who will cover everything from the main stage to one-on-one interviews with the contestants.
The cameras and all of the production going on makes it seem a lot more real and a lot more official.
The value for students is very real, as MC students from across several different disciplines get real experience refining their craft and problem solving. This kind of real-world experience is invaluable to these young people entering the workforce.
It's a total collaborative effort. We are able to go live because we have the right crew, because we have the students ready to work on this event. And so it's very exciting to be able to do this live on Facebook and also on the channel.
Working with MCTV, it's been something that's been going on for years now, and it's such a cool way to bring together students across all different areas, focusing on different kind of career aspects. And so to be able to get hands-on experience for the businesses, hands-on experience with planning this program, marketing this program for our business students, and then also for the filming students, it's great. So we love working with MCTV.
For MC Today, I'm Yesudian Cruz.